is Rubel from BFix. So today I'm going to open a gift package. It came from Japan. So it's a watch. Okay. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, here you go. Let me open it. I don't know what's inside. It's a very big wrap in there. There you go. Okay, so it's a obviously it's a watch. You can see it's a chronograph. You can see it's a very nice watch. You can see. Alright, that's it guys. Please like, subscribe my channel.